Hi guys, welcome. This is NAPHO.GRAPHY YouTube channel where we do tutorial, videography, editing, unboxing, and also product review. So today we are going to review this lapel microphone that is named K35. This is the cheapest lapel mic on the market now, that costs around 35 US dollars. So here it does live shows, and you also have interviews, and you can also use it for vlogs. And as you can see, it's a double mic, meaning that you can have two speakers at the same time, and also it has a receiver. So receiver is the one that it's here, and this is one of the mic which you are going to see right away. It has multiple uses. That is, you can still use it on your phone if you are going live on TikTok or other social media platform, and you can still use it on camera, on which today we are going to test it based on how you can use it on camera. And the last one is you can also use it in plug-in speakers and other sound systems, these digital cameras. So stay tuned as we continue. We are going to unbox. So inside this box we have two microphones and one receiver. So as you can see, these are the two microphone, and the center one. As you can see, these are the two microphone, one here and the other one here. And also at the center, this is what we have as our receiver. So this is among the cheapest lapel microphones on the market now. It only costs that 5 US dollars, and if you are in East Africa, in Kenya specifically, it costs 3,500 Kenyan shillings. So as you can see here, we also happen to have a charger. This is Type C charger, that both of these lapels and the receiver, they have the internal batteries which are rechargeable, so you can charge them before use. According to the manual script, according to the manual instructions, say that it can last up to 4 hours of talk time. So as we proceed, so we are going to the next stage. It's about quality. So in terms of quality, as you can see, it's plasticky. It's a bit plastic only. The plate inside here is made of metal. We have a windbreaker which helps when you are shooting during the wind. And in terms of feel, it really feels light and to looks more professional. So the next stage you are going, it's about now testing on audibility. Yeah. Hi guys, the next stage is about testing how efficient or the sound quality from this K35 microphone that we have today. And I'm like 4 steps or 4 feet away from the camera. So, and I'm also fitted with this microphone, as you can see. So I'll try to walk backwards. Hopefully my camera operator will be able to track my movement as I move forward, so that we keep counting. According to the instructions here, it can cover up to 20 meters away. So 20 meters away, it will be somewhere back there, hoping that the sound will keep tracking. So I'll start walking backwards. Hello. 8. This is 10. Hello. Roughly 15 feet away, moving towards the camera. So hi guys, this is a product review of lapel microphone, wireless microphone, that is a K35 with a double or dual microphone, and with a transmitter. So hopefully the test has been achieved. Hi guys, so today we are doing a product review of K35. This is a wireless microphone.